Hello, this is for Project 3, for the first milestone. We'll go ahead and get started. So just showing up in the hierarchy, we have our scout ship with the main camera and firepoint transformation as the children. It has a mesh renderer, collider, be added the rigid body. And from the lecture, we also added the linear damping, phase rotation. We imported our scripts from the 2D project over here. We had to make some changes to the to the rigid body. So instead of rigid body 2D, we just make it rigid body, obviously because it's a 3D environment. We gave it the health script along with death to move to origin, which is the 0, 0, 0 on the X, Y, and Z axis, as well as the shooter. Added the floor from the lecture just to kind of orient ourselves. I only have the one RAM dummy, but we do have our player controller and game managers all set up, along with our prefabs right here, and our assets with the art assets, materials for the bullets, scenes, and scripts. So I will go ahead and just get started with running it. There we go. It was kind of hard to see without the ship because it's a white plane. So yeah, goes forward, back, side to side. I can also do a barrel roll. I can go up and down. I believe it's called a yaw. So very much like a plane. Probably choose better key positions. Click on this count, so show off its health. I fire quickly, I'm hitting myself, but fire bullets, they get destroyed on impact with the floor. We'll go destroy our dummy here. Yep, one hit shot, since it only had 10 maximum health. So yeah, shows the health, death, shooting, health, death, working. Let me see here. Code shows code that proves the project. Camera, yaw, pitch and roll from me moving around. Physics. I'll just bring up the scripts here. Let's see here. Controllers, player controller, and the code can be seen in the GitHub itself, but just kind of bringing up the example code. So yeah, I just pretty much changed it from the 2D one. Yeah, so movement I have set to like the WASD, but then I did like the pitch and yaw on the arrow keys, which is kind of easier positioning with the hands. And then I barrel roll, the rolling is with the Q-nesis right there with the movement. Oops. Don't save. Just hit some keys by mistake. And the rest of the code can be also seen in the GitHub. That'll be in the link as well. And that should be it for this first milestone.